Welcome back to Precise Tool and Manufacturing. I'm John Gizzi, president of Precise. Today we're talking big parts. Check out these rings. These are cast rings made in half segments. This is only half the size. As we put these together, they get to be twice the diameter. Check this out. This project needs a multi-operation, multi-machine process. Our first operation starts on the horizontal joint face. We're drilling a 53 millimeter hole, 9 inches deep, with a super cobalt indexable drill, where we machine the joint face and put in the bolting holes. We also back counterbore from the other side and pull back a counterbore to be able to screw on the bolting hardware. The next operation goes to a VTL, where the ring is assembled, and we are turning on a 156-inch diameter VTL, and we are turning T-grooves inside the diameter that hold a tolerance of plus 0.002 minus nothing. Next, we safely rig this part with 4 chains to the center hoist, and we load it on the machine for the peripheral operation around the outside diameter. Next, for the outside peripheral machining work, we are incorporating a right angle head this time with a flip out back counterbore tool, which we drill into the hole and flip the tool out and pull back to create a counterbore on the bottom side. The other work performed on this is we're putting in approximately 32 3-inch diameter holes, milling some pockets. When all the manufacturing is done, we break the parts down, oil them up, and package them in these crates for overseas shipments. Now, for further information, I'm going to bring Rosemarie in.
For more information, visit us at PreciseTool.com.